Good morning and happy Makar Sankranti to all of you. So today morning again I am live on Facebook, and if you are watching this in Instagram or YouTube, so wish you all a very happy Makar Sankranti. So today I was thinking that on what topic today I'll do the live. So one idea came into my mind. So in today's live, I will tell you how you can teach something about festivals to your child in a very different way. So, suppose today is Makar Sankranti and you want to teach your child about what is Makar Sankranti, why this festival is celebrated. So, the conventional approach is, if you already know what is Makar Sankranti, you call your son or daughter and then you tell that, do you know why Makar Sankranti, do you know why we celebrate Makar Sankranti? And they will most probably tell that, no, we don't know. And then you will tell that these are the reason we celebrate, this is that these are the reason we celebrate, this is how we celebrate, like this. And by the time you will go to like point number 9 or 10, they will lose their interest and they will make their face like, okay, yes, why mommy is saying this, or why papa is saying this, what we'll do by listening this. So this is the conventional way to teach your kids about the festival. Yeah. So if you ask in the Google that why we celebrate Makar Sankranti, they will give you maybe 10-20 points. And the points would be likely like Makar Sankranti is all India festival known by various names. It is celebrated on 14th January. It fall under Makar Sankranti falls under solar month of Makara and lunar month of Magha according to the Hindu calendar. People fly kites in the sun and celebrate festival in many parts of India. As a crucial spiritual practice, people take holy bath in the river, and then also something like that. So if you go to third or fourth point, by the time your child will lose interest and they will tell, okay, we understood, and then they will run from you. So try this also. But then now I'm going to tell you an interesting way how you can engage your child, how you can tell about this festival, these values to your child, but in a very interesting way. So now I will introduce you to the option which is even more fun. And if you follow this the second option, your creative thinking is going to be improved and your child's creative thinking also going to be improved. So how? So this is what I'm going to share you in this video. So stay till end, because in the end I'll tell you a big secret that how I build up this story. So the second option is you call your child that so suppose I'll just make a role play. So I call my daughter Aratrika that, Aratrika, please come. Wish you a very happy Makar Sankranti. So she also said that, okay, happy Makar Sankranti. So then I asked that, do you know the story behind Makar Sankranti? So now she got little interest. She told, no. So I told that, okay, listen, today I am going to tell you the story behind Makar Sankranti. So this is a fictional story. That means I have to tell her that what is fictional story. So fictional story is a story where writer or speaker is telling something from on his or her own mind. So it's not really happened, but it's a story which is which representing the author's mind. So the story is, once upon a time there was a village. The people of the village was very prosperous, very rich. They had very good farming also. So most of the village people were farmer and they had a good farming. So but one thing they were very worried, that is the winter season, because of the winter their crops almost died. The sun was not very strong, so the farming was not good in the season of winter. So they were very worried about the winter season. So one day one saint came in the village. So he asked us, the people of the village, that why are you so sad? So they said that actually we are very sad because this year our crops were very good, but then because of the winter and because of not very strong sun, or all the crops actually are getting damaged. So the saint said that, okay, I'll give you a solution. So on the very this day, like 14th January, every year you celebrate a festival called Makar Sankranti, and you call your sun god that please increase your power, so that the sun god come and he increased the the sun power, and the winter get decreased, and your all the crops will grow. So though they were very a little skeptical about like whether it will really work or not, but then they started praying on this very day, that this is the Sankranti, that's the end of Posh. So then they celebrated with flying kites, making various type of sweets, and the dishes they share with each other, and then happily they celebrated the festival called Makar Sankranti. And the sun also became very pleased with the Sankranti festival. And then from this day onwards, actually every year, if we all celebrate Makar Sankranti, then the sun power increased and the winter actually got decreased. So this is how people in India started celebrating Makar Sankranti. So this was the story. So, but you may ask, that's Deshna. I can't make such kind of story. And this story, as you may heard, that this is a story which you will probably not get in a book. So this is a story, first time maybe you are also hearing or watching. So how to build such stories so that we can give the values we want to give to our child, at the same time they also feel interested. So today I am going to tell you the shortcut of it. So in last live I told you about Chat GPT, right? So there's the open AI software. It's a generative AI where you can generate any content which is original. I mean, it's not like Google search where already existing content only will be produced. So if you search in Google that tell me about Makar Sankranti, they will give all the data already. It is available in the web. So they will probably show you some YouTube video, some blogs, some editor like some Wikipedia, where you will know all the reason why people celebrate Makar Sankranti. So all the information, I would say. But this OpenAI, if you just go to Chat GPT, so if you go to chat.openai.com and you log in, and then you just type there, just tell me about a story about Makar Sankranti, so that I can tell my 6 years, 7 years, 8 years old child, or whatever is your child's age. So you will get unique stories. You can regenerate the stories, and this story today, whatever I told you, that also I have requested the Chat GPT and I got it from there. So you can get its 4-5 types of stories which you can read and pick the best story which you feel the best for you and your child, and then tell it. In this way, you can increase the bonding between you and your child. You can increase the interest of reading stories in your child. You can increase all those concepts, like they will know new things in a better way. So did you like today's live? You can comment that in the next week in what topic you want a live. So I would like to know that actually what are the topics you want to research on it, and then I can produce the content. So happy to serve you. Wish you again a very happy Makar Sankranti. Bye bye.